Arnab, I have to disappoint you because I'm not about to defend Sonia Gandhi right now. But I think it's pathetic that over Ahmed Patel, the party should go to such lengths, and
Exactly.
I mean, look at this, the floods in Gujarat, but the MLAs are there. I actually agree with you that this is a shocking, they've been caught out.
No, shocking for whom?
But
Who's
I will repeat, as I say, because I see my good... It's shocking for the country that this is what political politics do.
Don't generalize.
My good friend Sambit is there.
No, don't generalize. The question is...
What do you want? Are you saying... Okay, do you want me to say...
No, but
the question
you
is,
speak
what do you want
after
me
the
to say?
but. B-U-T
Tell
thereafter.
me. Arnab, what do you want me to defend Sonia Gandhi?
No, I don't want you to.
Thereafter, I'm about to say...
I'm asking you a simple question. I have never told you what to say, but if you have to complete my sentence...
Secular or communal?
No. That was, of course, listen, I was being sarcastic there, obviously. Maybe you'll say it's secular. You ask Sonia Gandhi, she may say, well, I don't know, but the greater issue is secularism. You ask Rahul Gandhi about anything, Sonia Gandhi about anything, corruption, Bofors, anything. But the greater issue is secularism. You ask them any question today. I'm pretty sure and convinced that even if you were asked to ask questions on the Sunanda murder case, you'd say the greater issue is secularism. I'm going to the moot point today because people of India are horrified and disgusted with this show of cash. And I'm asking you whether this is acceptable and why we should not ask specific questions and why, Sabha, people like you should generalize it by saying this is the condition of Indian politics today. No! It is the corruption that is going on in the Congress party. Why should it not be called out, Sabha?
So can I tell you something more? Should I add?
And why should we say it's a general malaise? Boy, Bejan Mishra, how do you feel tonight, Bejan Mishra? Do you feel cheated tonight? Bejan Mishra, when you see this cash, tell me as a person, as a citizen of India, I feel horrified.
The truth has got, the truth prevails. You have exposed them. They can't say anything now. They will be quiet. There'll be pin drop silence. Nobody will speak. Nobody will speak now. From the Congress, nobody will speak. They will just keep quiet because they have no answer. They have no answer. They are exposed, completely exposed. Just for one Rajya Sabha seat, they can go to any level. They have demonstrated that for one Rajya Sabha seat, which they want to portray that they are all together, needs a huge amount of cash.
Where is the money? No, where? I want to show the full pictures, not even packaged. Because I want to see, I want people of India to see this money in its raw dirt. I want, Sumansi Raman, people of India to see this money in all its dirtiness.
Arnab,
because
I think people of India also want to see
people are starving in our country. People are starving in our country.
People of India want to see an FIR. People of India want to see prosecuted. What photos only to be shown for channels? When are we going to see an FIR?
I didn't hear you clearly.
Great concern here. These visuals are shocking, but some action needs. I mean, the purpose of getting people is not to show them on TV. The purpose is